welcome to PyraPOD. This a second video I make today to explain the structural modification we did according to the first prototype frame we set up in my backyard. We saw the problem installing basically the top pyramid, right? And because of the joint, we use this joint, but this joint is this is straight, but this is curved, right? So it's make it relatively hard to insert, and and then can come apart, actually if you don't place the bottom right, then we find that it's there's no gap, and then when we move the bottom around, then there's a gap up here. So for that reason we changed that, so we make the top to still the same mechanism, but we make the smaller tube vertical. Okay, so this is, see, this explains this is vertical, right? You can further apart, right? So it simply drop into place, right? And then it's relatively easy to do. Okay, so then coming back, and then the rest, the major thing is the footing, right? So instead of having corner bracing, we simply suggest to make 12 footings, 12 supports, so basically a tube, same size. This time we suggest we use 2-inch, right? 2-inch, so it's stronger. And then there's a for any joint like this, there is a mechanism, there's a smaller tube inside, right? So then just simply slide in, right? But the bottom has the footing, right? Has like a plate, a larger plate weld to the bottom, and you can drill a hole and then fasten to the ground, or just like it, like this, holding everything, with a with some kind of a distance, right? But with the better way is to simply make this below grade, right? So the blue part is below grade, and you can just simply draw across, right? Then mark the point, the 3 point, right? And dig a hole, dig a hole for each footing, and then bury them, and you can check the position, right? The point is to get the 12 footings right into the ground, and then everything just drop into place, right? Okay, so hopefully this help, and for those who want to make themselves, or for those who mass produce this for us, in different places, right? We would like to find people, right, who can do this, right? Either make, build something like this for your backyard, right? As your backyard greenhouse, or you can just take up this business, and then start to make this kind of thing for local people, right? This could be a local business. So good. Okay, and so much for today. We'll see you next time.